In this video, I'm talking about how to arrange a date and a day on your Excel page. Now type any date on your Excel cell. OK, it's done. Now you head to drop down the cell and it will be auto arrange. If you did not get auto arrange, now go to autofill of sum. Here you have to choose any one format, which one you have to need. Now I'm changing the date format. Just right click on the any cell, then go to format cell. This is the date format list. You can choose any one format for your Excel phase, then OK. Now, got date format is changed. Then again drop down. Then all of the date format will be changed. Now let's see how to add a days. Now type here equal tax, then first bracket, and there is a value which is the date cell. Just select the date cell, then comma, then double quotation, and is type double D, and again double D, then double quotation, then pass bracket, OK, enter. Now the days automatically show on the cell. Thanks for watching. I'm not an expert on English. Sorry for my bad English.